Don't Toy With Me, Miss Nagatoro, Episode 2, Preview and Release Date. Previously on Don't Toy With Me, Miss Nagatoro, Episode 1, Toru took the pictures of others' girl. They started to laugh at him and he decided to calm down. Nagatoro decided to stay behind when the other girl left him. Toru asks Nagatoro if she has time for weirdos. The girls left, praising that Yuka has a handsome boyfriend. Nagatoro remains behind with the boy and reveals that she is in the first year. She asks him if he is in the second year and he agrees. Nagatoro comments that he is her senpai and it is his new name. Nagatoro started to hang with senpai and he draws everything that she asks. She narrates the story of a hero and the demon lord. After narrating the story, Nagatoro reveals that Saifred is senpai. Senpai wanted to say something but he is too shy and he keeps on flowing. Nagatoro continues with her story and comments that she feels sorry for Saifred. She reveals that one day Saifred was protected by Elizabeth. Toru realizes that Elizabeth is Nagatoro and he is Saifred, but he has never touched a girl in his life, not told a girl that she is beautiful. Nagatoro got up and told Senpai that they could do this together. Senpai can't believe that they are going to practice the hero, Saifred and Queen Elizabeth. Nagatoro played her part very well and Senpai failed to do his part. Nagatoro teases him that is why he is still a virgin. Senpai started to look away and she told him to look straight into her eyes. She tried to get more closer to him and Senpai shed with tears. The next day, Senpai got to visit by Nagatoro inside the art room. She told him to draw her something sexy. Nagatoro told him if he draws her properly, she will reward him. After finishing drawing her, she teases him by kissing him and he fell for it. Nagatoro pushed Senpai away and asked him why he thinks he should kiss her. Later, she asks him to go out with her. Then episode 1 of this series ends. Don't Toy With Me, Miss Nagatoro episode 2 will be released on Sunday, 18 April 2021 at 1 p.m. Japanese Standard Time. You can watch Don't Toy With Me, Miss Nagatoro online on Crunchyroll. If you have any opinion about next episode of this anime series, then please write them in comment section below. I would be pleased to read all of your opinion. Thank you.